All right, it is late Saturday night. Worked 6 10-hour days this week. Got a side job tomorrow. Made a video earlier with the green F250 that we have, getting the exhaust all measured out so we can get that fixed up, and then I scanned it. Tomorrow for my side job, I need to take Big Jane, my OBS F350. Reason being is because she is insured, and all the tags and everything are all up to date on it. So I don't want to risk driving the project truck without insurance. Just don't want to tempt fate, you know, would rather be responsible. So I'm into the oil change already, got it going. It has a leak from the oil filter, pretty common on these trucks. So when I put the new filter on, I'm gonna just try to get it nice and snug. Hopefully the leak's not there. If it still leaks, it probably means that that housing's damaged because it got over tightened at some point, which sucks, but you know, I'll figure it out. So I'll flip the camera around really quick and kind of show you guys where I'm at with it. So, all right, that's Big Jane in all her glory. So, all right, already got the filter off. There's the big 5-gallon bucket because these things hold so much freaking oil. Gotta love the 7.3s. There you go. That's the little filter housing. You can see I got the filter off of there. Still leaking. It's all right though. And then, yeah, got the drain bolt out. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put back together so we could add some fluids. All right, there's a ridiculous amount of oil too. We run the Rotella 15W40. We run the T6 synthetic. I think it's better for injectors. Anyways, you can see there's the hole. I had a good amount of smoke coming out of there. I know this engine has blow by. You know, I've heard conflicting things. I've heard that it's normal to have a little bit of smoke because it's a really high compression engine. I've also heard that if you have any smoke, that it's no good. Truck runs fine, man, and honestly, it's going to get a new engine at some point. I want to do like a fully built, like Kill Devil diesel 7.3, balanced and blueprinted long block type thing, and build this thing to be just an absolute beast. So at some point, it'll get that anyways, and we'll just run her until she finally, you know, breaks down. So awesome. I'm going to get back at it. Let's get her all nice and clean. Nice and snugged up. Absolute pain in the ass to do this. Okay. Okay. That should be nice and tight. Let's get our filter all nice and cleaned off now. That way we can see all the fresh leaks. All right, that's all back together, and now we're gonna add some oil. Not really some oil, it's several gallons of oil. So 7.3s, gotta love them. Tons of oil. Smells like ants. Can't even remember. I think it's a 14 quart. I don't know. 15 quarts. I think it's like 14 quarts with the filter being changed. Pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, no way. Nailed it. Right on the money, I guess. Let's top her off. Or let's fire her up, and there's no way I nailed that. There's no way. Holy shit, I did. Alright, well. We're gonna have to cycle it a little bit because, yeah, you got it. That filter holds like 2 or 3 quarts. So we'll fire her up and then we'll check her again. Wow, you do not want to go on there, do you? Alright. Alright, let's fire her on up. She's running. She's definitely running. All right, let's get underneath her and check for leaks. So far, so good. All right, now that it's ran for a minute, we will go ahead and check the oil level again, because that oil filter should have been able to pull oil and fill itself up by now. So let's make sure our levels are still good. All right, we'll top her off, and that'll do it. All right, well, I'm going to get it all buttoned up, and yeah, that takes care of it, man. And so glad I was able to get that done. I feel a lot better about it now. So, all right, see you guys.